come on, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir.
Please take a seat.
Sir. Namaste.
Are you the Education and Sports Minister of Manipur? Mr.
Mr. Nasati.
Mr. R.K. Dolan Snasi. Thank you. Would you kindly tell me the present economic condition of Manipur?
Manipur.
For example, I think the Manipur state government earned rich income from the forest department, like in other department also. So you can tell me the present economic condition of Manipur.
Manipur, jungle like forest you know she la prash in the hang di la di like haitan fatiri wa ni fatiri
Base mean best economic condition of Manipur.
Yes.
Oh, that means the Manipur state government does not necessary to get aid from the central government.
Yes. Boy, look at it. Look at it. Columns look at it. I think I'm just to your money to I'm alone for the money to I'm just to your money.
And one more thing, please.
Yes, please.
I have heard that the Manipur state government is somewhat related with the unlawful underground group of Manipur. Is it true?
Underground, she must see. Koi Manipur to see Koi Lopta for Seko is a underground never like no, the underground go ever. This one what I could do could be to the back of me at the college of the Yes.
That means the Manipur state government is also one of the unlawful underground group of Manipur.
Yes, I put you yes.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
you can go now. You can go now. I this what is happening. I don't know. You talking about it. I'm you get to get but I'm not like about it. I'm so talk to me. See, we guys in the way that say good thing laughing. Yes, it is. Oh, young man, see I'm not getting it. No, I see this. See, I wait here.
Maybe I don't understand this. You say